Hello everyone, this is Menhan. Today video I would like to show you how to use Ocam screen recorder, which include download, install, record setting and the record demo. Okay, let's start. So Ocam is one of the best free screen recorder. So here I am on Ocam page. You can go to link in description below, and here we can download Ocam free download, and so the requirement very low, and we can record a full of our window. So you can click here to download, and I have download already, so let's install it. Okay, just Ocam. Okay, the latest version, and click run. Yes, so just straightforward. Okay, accept the license agreement, next, and then it just open this for. Okay, that's it. The record is everything is ready to work on. The installation is finished, or you can just close it and it will show you this pop-up message since we just use the free version, and it open the message advertisement again. So let me close let's turn off the internet, and it will not show pop-up advertising pop-up. So just type Ocam. Okay. Here we don't have any web page advertisement here. So let's check the setting, the record setting. Here we have record and we have capture. We can screenshot our screen and design how we record our screen. We can choose custom selected area. For example, you want to select something like that, or custom size, put a size you want, or for YouTube size, full screen or whatever. So here I use full screen. Here, full screen. So we can record game or another audio setting, and let's choose right now. We choose our full screen. Design full screen, and record setting we select A264 and ACC audio, MP4 format, and sound we can record the sound and our microphone also. Let me use internal microphone. It support internal microphone also. Okay, it's the same. Okay, let's test the record. So simply it start recording our full screen. For example, I open Microsoft Excel and I want to, and I drag. Okay, that's it. So just close it. Yes, let's stop. So the record is done, and let's check the file, how big is it. And one more thing is the setting. I will show you the record setting, another record setting here, and open here. Yes, the file size, wow, just 1 megabyte, very small, and record a full HD and 30 frames. So very small file size here, and we can click. So simply it's okay. So very small, simple and easy to use for recording. So let's see other record setting here. We go to menu and option. Here we have plenty of record setting. Here we can change the frame rate, or we can minimize it all the way on the top, or include cursor, or you want to minimize it when you record, or we can just need 24 frames and with high quality. Okay, the rest of the setting I think no need to change, or you can choose very high quality. The file size is maybe a little bit bigger, but it's okay, just choose high. For gaming, you can choose the interval and limit frame rate. And design here is the same outside here. You can choose Full HD or 2K or 4K, depend on your screen. Basically, it record our screen, or we can record any specific area. So let me choose the sound stereo. Capture, can capture as a PNG, capture as a picture, animate and hotkey can pause, record, and effect. We have mouse click effect or something else. I will show you in another video. So check link in description. And also save format where you want to put it. And after record, you will push to the location that you want to record. And time limit, you can limit enable only 10 minute record or whatever. And also you can put some logo or watermark in here. And webcam also, you can choose integrate webcam or a webcam with external camera. So very powerful, and you can change language also. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Okay, see you.